And hello, and what is up, friends? And what I have for you today, I think, in my opinion, is probably one of the most beautiful plants I have ever grown. When it comes to the greenness of the stem, how big all of the fan leaves are, how bright, vibrant they are, how fast they grew. This right here is just a 25-day veg. I'm surprised by how good they look, especially underneath this light. I was not expecting these kind of results out of this light. So far, the coverage has been great. Just the overall look of them, I think they look amazing. But we are going to flip them to flower on this video. So we are going to set a trellis. More than likely, from the looks of it, we're not going to be defoliating a lot. Maybe a couple of fan leaves, that's it. I don't even think I'm going to touch it. I really was not expecting these kind of results out of this 400 watt light. Now, this is the OptiGrowX 480, and you can find the link for this light in the description below. But from the looks of it, I am expecting probably the best results out of flower, and then you guys could be the judge of this. But hear me now, I'm expecting the best results of flower when it comes to the Trico Jordan and the Chimera. You guys have seen those strains here before, and I've grown them a couple of times, and you've seen the results. So now watch when these girls give out the Chimera and the Trico Jordan. We're really gonna see the results, and we're also using CO2 on this run. But I just have to say, I love how big the fan leaves all throughout, and how even it looks. It looks so even. They look super healthy. I'm super happy with how everything has turned out for this grow. But okay, friends, let's go ahead and set the trellis net, get these plants spread out, and check back on them. And now, friends, like I have mentioned in the other videos, this is not typically the trellis net that I would use, but it is so easy to put on. I just figured I'd give it a try. For the most part, I was able to get it down low enough to where I think I'm in the clear once I switch these plants to flower. I know they like to stretch anywhere from 2.5 to 3 feet, so I'm expecting that much of a stretch. So I made sure to leave a little bit more room on top of the light just in case of any emergency. I could still pull the light up about another foot and a half. If I had to change anything about this grow, it would probably be topping them a little bit sooner. But for the most part, these 4 plants filled up this 4x4 tent within 25 days. And now, friends, I will be flipping to flower or switching the light schedule from 18:6 to 12:12 today. So far, the manufacturer recommendations for light distance and light intensity has worked perfect for me, and is keeping these plants super happy. Even though they may not look like it now, just give them 24 hours and let's check back on them and see what they look like. And 24 hours later, these girls look amazing. Absolutely ready for flower, which we switched the light schedule to 12:12 yesterday. And from the looks of it, distance, we're at the right distance, and they're going to be growing into the light, so that's going to be a plus. And for the most part, we don't have any deficiencies. The plants are looking great all through. Well, even though we only have 2 different strains in here, we have the Trico Jordan and we have the Chimera. We're running those again. And as far as watering and nutrition, I'm using the Front Row AG nutrients, which I have been for quite a while. And there's a couple of roots already starting to poke out of the bag all through the bag here. I'm seeing a bunch of roots coming out. Same thing for the pots back there. So yeah, I'm using Front Row AG nutrients, and yeah, this is the kind of results that I'm getting. And with a 400-watt light, which is actually pretty inexpensive to run, getting great results as far as veg. And what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you think we're gonna get over a pound like we did last time with the 500-watt light? Do you think we're gonna get over a pound and a half in this space with this light? From the looks of it, I'm already super happy on how these girls even turned out. But yeah, guys, let me know how you like everything. And as always, I'm not going to take any more of your time because I want you to watch the rest of my videos. So until next time, this is Grass in Class signing out. Peace.